We often hear people say that humans will be the cause of destruction of our planet, but sometimes we forget that humans are amazing. That's what we are going to be talking about today.
You find any inspiration in this we have done and you have done your noble part.
El Maestro Speaks podcast.
Okay, so before we continue, let me just do some ad reads here for a while. So this podcast brought to you by the best gadget repair shop in La Trinidad. It's CarlTech. So I've been going to CarlTech for some because I got some of my gadgets destroyed. So I've been using their services and they are good. And I I would like you to try it. They're located at the old public market of La Trinidad. If you're here in La Trinidad and you have some problems with your gadgets, you can always go to CarlTech Repair Shop. Of course, if you go to Abatan, Bugias Benguet, that is north of La Trinidad, if you're here in Benguet, you can also go visit the Millennial Repair Shop at Abatan, Bugias Benguet or Millennial Tech. And they're also offering repair on gadgets, different gadgets, laptop, computers, you name it. And if you have problems with your car and you are in La Trinidad, there's also another shop that I trust, and this is the Dams Auto Performance. They are located at Alapang, La Trinidad Benguet, and they repair cars, and they also do this thing here. A very interesting thing. They convert your car to some off-road thing. Like when you are interested in converting your car to do off-road racing, then you can trust them's auto performance. Of course, we also have the MONAPHLORE's egg poultry at Mankayan Benguet. They're selling fresh eggs, fresh from the poultry. All right, so that's it. So it's 2024, new year, new outlook in life, or, to some people, the end is near. Yeah. Oh, there are some people that say that as the years go by, okay, we are approaching the end of the world. And who is the number one contributor to this fast approaching end of this world? Some would say it's human, right? Humans create nuclear weapons to annihilate each other, at the same time annihilating them, destroying the earth we're living in. And um, we will see this. It's close. According to them, it's very close. Now we are seeing the situation with Russia and Ukraine. What's happening right now with Israel? It's you know it's war. The war is coming out. I mean, it's war starting in the different parts of the world, and we are now looking at China trying to start something, bullying other small countries, its neighboring countries like my country, the Philippines. So if we are to take a look at it, it's like um, another world war, like World War III, is bound to happen. Do you think so? Yeah, by the looks of it, it would look like that. And if World War III happens, there will be for sure, okay, a greater destruction, greater than what happened during the World War II. Um, Weapons now are a lot powerful. We humans are now expert in creating a nuclear weapon that can uh, melt a small country. They have what we're calling smart weapons. I just watched this demonstration of a drone a while back. I was looking at it. It's it's a drone that is big as a. It's smaller than a smartphone, right? Our smartphone nowadays is usually at 6 inches wide, the screen ratio, and it's smaller than that, and it can fly. It can dodge bullets coming from snipers, coming from guns, and it has what we have in our phone, a facial recognition, so it can detect face. It can recognize face, and it contains an explosive, a a bomb, a small bomb, right? So it has a bomb. It can detect face. It can it can dodge away bullets coming from snipers. Okay, and it can, of course, it can fly and it can kill. So the device nowadays that's being created by human is being created to like kill, right? So sometimes you would think and you would really agree that we humans are the root of destruction and will be the reason if the earth is gonna be annihilated in the universe, I mean from the universe. So what's gonna happen, right? Or okay, humans or the earth, humans will be destroyed by AI, AI created by human, and maybe AI is gonna, or the artificial intelligence gonna see that human will destroy the earth or the planet we're living in right now. So what's gonna happen is that AI will eliminate human beings here on Earth to save the planet. Like the movie Terminator, maybe something like that. Okay. So you see, the advancement that we made, it's year 2024. It's very unbelievable. Okay. The advancement we made to destroy each other, it's really unbelievable. From that nuclear weapon to this amazing artificial intelligence infused weapon, it's truly amazing, okay? What we can do to create weapon to destroy us. But at the same time, humans are also capable of creating great things for the advancement of civilization, as I may say so. And that is, we have, okay, let's start with from the very beginning, or let's just say, for 2,000 years, for more than 2,000 years, there are a lot of improvement that happened that made the human race advance to where we are right now. Okay, first and foremost, okay, this is not the kind of government that we have that led us to reach the place or the pinnacle of success that humans have right now. The democracy that we are experiencing, right? Democracy like led us to some developments in terms of industry and more, right? Um, the in terms of technology, look how far we've come, starting from the wheel to this year or this era of internet. So we've made some amazing um, developments to improve our lives. And right now, we are in this era of the development of artificial intelligence. We are humans are creating life, a new kind of life that can help us move to another step of human development, right? And some people might say, you know, some people might say that we are creating our distractions, but all throughout human civilization, human history, we've seen human being create chaos and then thrive on it and then fix the chaos and then create something new, something advanced out of that destruction that was created. So, I think it's the cycle of life. And that's why I said humans are amazing because they do things like this, but then they do not stop. When they are in chaos, when when they are in the midst of like destruction, they find ways to move forward and they help each other in times of chaos. They now help each other move forward. Humans are amazing. I never lose hope, and I truly believe that whatever is happening right now, we can come up of something new and good from this situation, and we can use it to further our development. You see, it's looking at it, it's really dangerous to see this weapon being created that can like destroy us in an instant. But I think the creation of those things will always remind us, will always keep us um keep us vigilant of the different things that's gonna happen. It will help us be on our toes and be ready and be um on our most creative what do you call this one, creative shape of trying to stop what's gonna happen that is or that will cause our extinction. So humans are amazing. Yeah, was lost there a little bit lost there, but you know, looking at those, because I was reading a lot of articles now of looking at the creation, especially now that so we would be I would be guessing that the 2024 will give us more results, better one, and amazing one on the field of artificial intelligence. Can be used as a weapon, it can be integrated in our daily instruments. We already have it in our phone, right? Uh, we are now using them. Professionals, a lot of them are using Chat GPT in their works. I even read an article before that it is like uh, Chat GPT or AI is causing some of the jobs that we had before to go on into extinction, and that's not good for human, right? But we always find ways to adapt to this situation. We always did. You just look at history. A long time ago, people have those, or some people have job as an ice delivery, you know, delivery people. They deliver ice to houses because there's no refrigerator. Now here comes the invention of a refrigerator. Jobs were lost, right? But people get through. Humans get through. Or what else? The the people working to connect calls from the different countries, for the different people from different countries. When cell phone or telephone came, cell phone, cellular phone came, they lost their job, but people also find another way to get through. So I think it would be the same with AI, though we would be seeing like a large number of jobs that would be going extinct, I suppose, with the development of this, like I said a while ago, a new life, yeah, a new life that would be living in us and this living with us in this planet, and the results would be interesting to see, but as to it would cause human extinction, I would not think so. I would not agree that that would be the case. um, I would think that AI and humans will be, will find ways to coexist with each other in this world, you know. And of course, everybody's worried about the nuclear bomb. I mean, melting the earth. China has it, America has it, Russia have it, North Korea have it. But I would guess even Chinese, even the North Koreans, or even Americans would know that and would think that if they will, release such a weapon with great power, it would also affect them. Yeah. And nobody would be the wiser if somebody will be doing that. And of course, we'll find ways to settle their differences. Yeah. And the war now, I guess, war now would not be fought like it was, or like it was fought in World War II, during World War II, World War One. War now is through the, through the lines of the internet. It's war on data. It's war about who has more knowledge, who has more information, and who was the more and advanced technology. And with that, it is, I would say, a safer war than that of than that of the past two world wars. Anyway, I would believe that, like what I said a while ago, humans are amazing and we will always find ways to resolve our differences without shedding a blood. I mean, it's happening, right? There are some exemptions to that, but we would always find ways to settle our differences and find ways to move past this, right? Okay. So what would happen for this year 2024? Of course, that I would say that the start of 2024, or for this 2024, in the front of this conflict, I would say that people from different part of the world will continue to find ways to settle their differences, right, peacefully. And in the field of technology, we would see great advancement. There will be a lot of changes on the gadgets that we are holding. There'd be more AI operated machineries, and we would see some AI replacing some jobs. More of it, maybe one of it is education. In the field of education, AI might be replacing some of the jobs that the teachers are doing. But in terms of replacing the teacher, all what the teacher is doing, I wouldn't think so. There are there are things that teachers can still do that cannot be done by AI as of now. But again, we don't know. It's interesting to see how AI is going to be integrated in the educational sector. Maybe AI will also be integrated in the government sector, in the leadership sector of countries, right? A lot of jobs will be um, replaced there. Maybe the head of a state will become an AI. That's gonna be interesting, right? And you know, a lot of changes, um, a lot of things that we know will be gone. Old life will be gone, and that's the rule of nature, right? For this 2024, old life is gonna be in the past, left in the past. Those that remain will be moving forward. They get no choice. That's part of living. And a lot of changes, of course, global warming, things like that. And again, I guess we'll find ways. A lot of disagreement in the social media platform. We'll be seeing more of this people about the gender issues is becoming so prevalent right now. But we would be seeing also um, people fighting back on this, on this, forcing of ideology to other people. So we'd be seeing resolution to this gender issues, and I hope that's gonna happen soon for this year, 2024. But again, regardless of what's going to happen, like I said a while ago, humans are amazing. Okay? It's amazing as we find ourselves. Amazement seems to be an exclusively human response. I'm just reading this one. You know, just you know, every time we see these things, every time we see chaos in this in the horizon, and we see that it's kind of look like there is no hope at all, we can always remember, we should always remember that humans are amazing. Okay, we can come out of it and we can learn from it. One of the number one factor that makes us human is that we make mistake. Humans make mistake. But the amazing thing about humans is that they learn from that mistake. And from that mistake, they develop, they move forward. That's what I said. Humans are amazing. Okay, that's, I think, enough for this episode today. And thank you so much for listening. And this is another El Maestro Speaks podcast episode. See you next time. Have a nice day and Happy New Year.